Good afternoon, teacher and friend. Hanging out with friend. Actor Luis Alejandro Blanco Blanco. New Year's Eve. My family are going to celebrate New Year's Eve in Boavita, Boyacá. My family are going to eat turkey and drink apple wine. Me and friend are going to drink champagne in my house. Also, we are going to make rocks me. We are going to have 5 words and midnight after dinner. I am going to come down very out lunch. So we need really to have hard work forever. After that, um, finally, it is January 1st in Boavita. Me and brothers are going to say Happy New Year's with friend and happiness. His plan includes helium balloons, Jones at midnight, second parts from the finals countdown. It is going to be a happy moment for all my family and friends, and it is not going to be just of the moment all calm down. Is going to be for us to be is going to be all day happiness. Thank you.